Okay. What was your primary health concern when you first came to our office?
When I first came here, I was suffering from very low back tailbone pain caused originally by a spinal cord injury. Was hardly able to walk a block or two when I came here.
What had you tried for your condition prior to starting care in our office?
What? Say that once more.
What did you try prior to coming in as far as care?
What did I try? Think about that. I really haven't tried anything for quite a while. I was just living with this, trying to exercise and stay in good shape.
What were you thinking when you came into the office before you had a chance to meet with the doctor?
I've always been a real positive person. I've overcome a lot of pain, difficulties in my life, so when I decided to come here, it was because of a newspaper ad where it addressed issues that I was suffering from, like numbness, neuropathy, and inflammation in my joints, and my spine really compressed to where I couldn't even go and work out. And so when I came here, my expectations were that I would get better.
And what were your thoughts when you met with the doctor and he gave you his recommendations?
There were very few thoughts that day because I was absolutely in terrible pain. And I could barely keep my head up when he was telling me what was going on. Luckily, I'd read about decompression before I came here. I knew darn well that was going to help me. And at that time, he explained that it would be 4 months and sometimes 4 days a week. And now it's been 4 months, and it's a dramatic turnaround.
And can you explain a little bit about the results that you achieved after coming here?
When I was told when I came here I had more than one issue, and two of the main issues were that the top of my spine was so compressed that the lower part of my spine, which was off side, right to left, 12 millimeters in my stocking feet, and that's quite a discrepancy. So we had to overcome that, and we had to overcome the fact that my spine wasn't sitting right up above. It needed to be more relaxed. Looked at an x-ray today, and it is. In fact, he said he's really kind of amazed. And I'm not amazed because I've got a strong body and I've kept it in shape, and I'm convinced that that's why this is working so well.
And what advice would you give to someone who is thinking about or considering care in this office?
I've told many people about this. Oftentimes people are suspect of chiropractic, and when I tell them that I answered an ad in the paper, oh, you know, it's like they couldn't be any good. And it's just the opposite. I'd tell anybody to come here if they were thinking about going to an orthopedic surgeon to be cut on.
So would you say that it was worth the investment of time and money
You
that
can't
you made?
put a price on what I've experienced. It's absolutely been worth it, but there is no way you could put a price on it.
Is there anything else you'd like to share about your experience
Yes,
here?
first of all, the DSL machine that helps decompress your spine is a marvelous machine. It's helped me a lot. The adjustments, I think Dr. Roop is quite good at it. The electrical stimulation has helped me a lot with pain. The laser lights have been phenomenal. I don't have all this neuropathy. I don't have so much arthritis. There's not anything that I haven't experienced here that hasn't been great. Top-notch, professional, and the people here are absolutely warm and inviting, and that helps you a lot when you're trying to recover from pain.
Thanks, Patrick.